How to make the perfect steak. First, I'll get my marinade started. I'll mince up a couple cloves of garlic. I always marinate my proteins in a Ziploc baggie. So I added in my garlic, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and then some kind of acid. I'm using lime, but you could use lemon or any kind of vinegar. Also added a splash of Worcestershire. And let it sit for a couple of hours. Place the steak on the grill at a 45-degree angle. My steak is thin, so it took about a minute or two. And then I'm going to do the inverse of that. By doing this, you'll create those classic grill marks. And then you'll flip the steak and do the same process. How do you know when your steak is done? Put your index finger and thumb together. This texture is medium rare, medium well, and well done. So compare the texture of your palm to the texture of the steak. This guy's not ready yet, but this guy is. The other steak is a bit thicker, so it's going to take a little longer. Let the steak rest for 5 minutes, and then you're going to want to cut against the grain. And if you did it right, it should come out a beautiful medium rare. I was happy with mine. I served mine up with a parsnip puree and some grilled zucchini.